Good morning. Today we are going to discuss formula of sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, sin 3a, cos 3a. Okay. So first discuss formula sin 2a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 times sin a into cos a. Second formula, cos 2a is equal to, now here three formula present in cos 2a. So one formula cos square a minus sin square a. Second formula 1 minus 2 times sin square a. And third formula 2 cos square a minus 1. Now next one, tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Now after next formula sin 3a. So sin 3a is equal to short form of sin 3a, that means 34. So how can we remember this formula? So here written first of all 3 sin a minus 4 sin a. Right? Short form of sin 3a. Here sin form is present. So in our formula also sin form is present. Now how can we remember? Sin 3a is equal to short form is 34. 3 sin a minus 4 sin a. And here 4 is present. So remember here written cube. Similarly cos 3a. So cos 3a is equal to 43. So 4 cos a minus 3 cos a. And 4 present here, so here written cube form. Okay, so formula of sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, and formula of cos 3a is equal to 43, that means 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Now using by this formula discuss some example. So our first question, prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Okay. So our question is prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So first of all start from the LHS side. Our LHS side is cos 4x. So here written cos 4x. Now 4 in place of written cos 2 into bracket 2x. Now after here apply the identity cos 2 theta, but 3 identity present here. So which identity apply here? So here apply cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. So is equal to, now apply this identity 2 and here theta in place of consider 2x. So now substitute this value here. So 1 minus 2. Why are you compulsory using by this identity? Because see in our proof here one form is present. Now all these three formula one present in this formula. That's why using by cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta in place of written 2x bracket over. Now again sin square theta is equal to also written sin theta whole square. Both these terms are same. So here square is present, so this square written in outside. So is equal to 1 minus 2 into bracket. Here written sine 2x bracket over whole square. Now again here apply the identity sine 2x, that means sine 2 theta. So sine 2 theta, that means 2 sine theta into cos theta. So here theta in place of x form is present, so written here x. So 1 minus 2 into bracket 2 sine x into cos x whole square. So is equal to 1 minus 2 in bracket 2 square, that means 4 sine square x into cos whole square, that means cos square x. Okay, now open this bracket, so we get final answer. So is equal to, here open this bracket, so 1 minus 4 to the 8 sine square x into cos square x is equal to RHS sine. Clear? So first of all cos 4x in place of written 2 into bracket 2x. Now after here using by this formula cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta in place of written 2x. So 1 minus 2 into bracket sine 2x whole square using by this result. Now sine 2x, that means 2 sine x into cos x whole square. Now square applying separately in all these three terms. So 2 square, that means 4 sine square x cos square x. Now simplify these terms, so we get answer. Okay. Next question. Our next question, prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Now see here, in this question, proof is present in cos form. So here, using by only cos form formula. So first start from the LHS side. Cos 6x is equal to here written cos 2 into bracket 3x. Now after using by the formula, which formula using here? So here using by cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now here theta in place of consider 3x, so is equal to 2 cos square theta in place of 3x minus 1. Now square written in outside, so 2 into bracket cos 3x whole square minus 1. Now cos 3x in place of written using by the formula 43, that means cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta bracket over. Now here theta in place of x form is present, so written here 2 into bracket 4 cos cube theta in place of written 3x. Sorry, theta in place of here written only x. So 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square minus 1. Now after here apply the identity a minus b whole square. So is equal to 2 into bracket 4 square, that means 16 cos raised to 6x minus 4 3 ja 2ab, that means 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24 cos cube x into cos x, that means cos raised to 4x plus 9 cos square x minus 1. Now 2 multiply in this bracket, so we get answer. So is equal to 32 cos raised to 6x minus 2 into 24. That means 48 cos raised to 4x plus 9 to the 18 cos square x minus 1 is equal to RHS side. Okay, so our proof is 32 cos raised to 6 minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Clear? Okay, now the next question. Question number 3. Prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into bracket 1 minus tan square x upon, in denominator term, 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 raised to 4x. Okay. So in this question, tan 4x is present and prove that this condition. So now start from the LHS side. So in LHS side, first of all written tan 4x. So is equal to tan 4x in place of written tan 2 into bracket 2x. Now we know that tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta bracket over. So here using by this formula, but here 2 theta in place of consider 2x means this equation theta in place of substitute 2x. So is equal to 2 times tan into bracket 2x upon 1 minus tan square into bracket 2x. Now again tan 2x in place of same formula apply here, but theta in place of now substitute x. So is equal to 2 into bracket, right, this 2 written here, tan 2x in place of substitute this identity. So 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x bracket over upon, in denominator term, 1 minus tan 2x in place of 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now here open this bracket and after take LCM. So is equal to 2 to the 4 tan x upon, in denominator term, 1 minus tan square x multiply. Now here we can take LCM and after this denominator term written in numerator, because here divisible form is present, written in multiplication form, so enters in the position. So here denominator term 1 minus tan square x whole square. So here written 1 minus tan square x whole square upon. Now here we can take LCM but whole square form is present. So 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 2 tan x whole square. Now 1 minus tan square x cancel out one term. So remaining term 4 tan x into bracket 1 minus tan square x bracket over upon in denominator term 1 minus 2 10 square x plus 10 raised to 4x. Right here, apply the identity a minus b whole square. That means a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 2 square, that means 4 10 square x. Now minus 2 minus 4, that means minus 6. So final answer is equal to 4 10 x bracket 1 minus 10 square x upon in denominator term 1 minus 2 minus 4, that means minus 6 10 square x plus 10 raised to 4x is equal to RHS. Clear? So here 10 4x in place of 10 2 into bracket 2x. Now after using by the identity 10 2 theta, here theta in place of substitute 2x. Now once again here apply same identity, 10 2x in place of substitute this term. Here 10 2x in place of substitute this term. Now after simplify this term, so we get answer. Now our next question. Next question. Question number 4. Prove that sine 5x minus 2 times sine 3x plus sine x upon in denominator term cos 5x minus cos x is equal to prove that 10x. So here again start from the LHS side, but first of all arrange this term, because our formula s plus s form is present, s minus s form is present, but see in second term 2 is present, so here not apply this formula. So that's why here we can first and third term we can return one side and after apply the identity. So our first step sine 5x plus sine x minus 2 times sine 3x upon in denominator term cos 5x minus cos x. Now in numerator term apply the identity s plus s, that means 2sc. So here apply the identity s plus s, that means 2sc, and c minus c, that means minus 2 ss. Okay, so here apply this identity. So s plus s, that means 2 times sine 5x plus x divided by 2 into cos bracket 5x minus x divided by 2 bracket over minus 2 times sine 3x, written as it is, upon in denominator c minus c, that means minus 2ss. So here written minus 2 times sine 5x plus x by 2 into sine 5x minus x divided by 2. Now after simplify this term, so is equal to 2 times sine 5x plus x, that means 6x divided by 2 means 3x into cos 2x minus 2 times sine 3x upon in denominator term, which term we can take, okay, simplify this term. So minus 2 times sine 3x into sine 2x. Now after in numerator term, which term here we can take common? So 2 times sine 3x we can take common. So is equal to 2 times sine 3x common. So remaining term written in another bracket. So here remaining term cos 2x minus 1 upon in denominator term we can written as it is minus 2 times sine 3x into sine 2. Cancel this term, 2 also cancel. Here remove this minus sign and return here cos 2x minus 1 in place of 1 minus cos 2x upon sin 2x in place of return 2 times sin x into cos x. Now 1 minus cos 2x in place of which term written here? So we know that cos 2x is equal to cos 2x in place of written here 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now 2 sin square x written this side and the cos 2x written for this side. So here 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. So here 1 minus cos 2x in place of written 2 sin square x. So is equal to 1 minus cos 2x in place of written here 2 sin square x upon denominator term written as it is. So 2 times sin x into cos x. 2 cancel out. Sin also cancel. So remaining term sin x upon cos x and sin upon cos, that means tan x is equal to RHS sin. Clear? Okay. Now next question. Question number 5. If sin x is equal to 3 upon 5 is given, cos y is equal to minus 12 by 13 is given, and condition is given x and y lies in second quadrant. So our question is find out the value of sine into bracket x plus y. Clear? Now here first condition is present, the value of sine is present in means second quadrant is present, cos y is also given. Now here second quadrant is present, so the value of sine is positive in second quadrant and value of cos is negative in second quadrant. So first of all here sin x is given, so using by sin x, first find out the value of cos x. So sin x is equal to 3 by 5. Now we know that the relation sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. That means cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. 1 minus 9 by 25. 25 minus 9, that means 16 by 25. Now here remove all the square root, so we get two value plus minus form. So cos x is equal to plus minus 4 by 5. Now here second quadrant is present, and in second quadrant value of cos is negative. So here written cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5, because here written second quadrant. Now after find out the value of cos y is present. So after find out the value of sin y. So here written cos y is equal to minus 12 by 30. So we know that sin square y is equal to 1 minus cos square y is equal to 1 minus minus 12 by 13 whole square. Now simplify this term. So is equal to 1 minus 144 upon 169. Take LCM, so 25 upon 169. So sin y positive in second quadrant. That's why here written sin y is equal to 5 upon 13. Now after our question is find out the value of sin x plus y. So we know that sin x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Now substitute all this value in this equation. So sin x in place of written here 3 by 5, cos y in place of written minus 12 by 13, plus cos x in place of written minus 4 by 5, and sin y in place of written 5 upon 30. Now LCM same in both these terms. So 13 5 ja 65, minus 12 into 3, that means minus 36 minus 20. So minus 36 minus 20. So our final answer minus 56 by 65. So here we get the value of sin x plus y is equal to minus 56 upon 65.